It continues to remain cloudy and fairly mild out there with a gusty breeze. The camera shaking out there. Live look at downtown Salisbury on our sky cam. And region-wide, it's been cloudy and we've had a few showers, even thunder showers pass through earlier this evening and afternoon with cloudy skies. Look at that, the flag is blowing right there in Georgetown. So temperatures have cooled down into the lower and mid 60s, but still mild and a bit warmer the further north you go. 68 degrees right there in Dover. Connie and Greenwood reporting 66 degrees. And Joe and Bishopville 61 degrees, and Curtis, Marion, Ocean Pines 60 degrees. Winds aren't too bad right now, actually, gusting only around 15 to as much as 30 miles per hour across the board, but we could still see some gusty breezes over the coming hours, and in fact, we could still see a few gusts up to 35, maybe even 40 miles per hour at times for the next few hours. And I think after midnight, specifically 3, 4, 5 a.m., the winds really begin to die down, but still over the next few hours, I would expect those breezy conditions to continue. So here's the showers right now. It's just a big old mass of showers right now. Nothing severe as we speak. But as what we've been talking about for the past couple of days, there's potential for at least a few severe storms, mainly west of us. Look at that. We've even got a tornado warning out there as well, with a severe thunderstorm warning as well with that line. And this whole complex begins to move out here by the time we get to tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. And again, the main concern for any severe storms in the form of scattered damaging wind gusts and maybe even a few isolated tornadoes are west of the bay. And we're still holding in on the idea that there could be a stronger storm sometime this evening that could bring down a strong to damaging wind gust out there, but that's pretty much it. There is a small concern for some isolated pockets of ponding and some isolated instances of flooding as well. That threat's going to be maximized the further south you go, mainly because through the overnight tonight, there could be instances where you get training downpours in the same spot for perhaps a few hours. So I do think the greatest potential for higher rainfall amounts will be towards the east and south. We could see 1 to 2 inches of rain from Salisbury, Georgetown, points east and south, maybe a few higher, locally higher amounts above 2 inches of rainfall. And the further north and west you go, we're going to be seeing less rainfall. So we'll time it out for you on Futurecast. I really do think the rain shield is going to blossom later on tonight at 9, 10, 11 p.m. There could be a stronger storm embedded in here, so we will keep an eye on that. There could be a damaging wind gust there. Still southerly winds gusting at around 30 to maybe even 40 miles per hour. This is the time when the winds begin to die down. We're still dealing with heavy downpours out there, but by the time we get to 9 a.m., a lot of cloudy skies out there and still a few lingering showers, especially along the coastline. And I do think the clouds are going to be really stubborn to break Monday afternoon. So I think it's a mostly cloudy day, could even be a brief sprinkle during the afternoon. But then look at what happens by the time we get to Tuesday. It's a sunny day out there. Looks like a nice day, but it's going to be a little bit on the cooler side. High temperatures back down into the 50s. But considering the fact that we've been dealing with days of marine layers and cloudy skies, I think Tuesday is going to be a really nice change of pace. So tonight we'll drop into the 50s with showers and downpours. Could be heavy at times. Tomorrow 55 to 60 degrees with a mostly cloudy sky and a few lingering AM rain showers. Small craft advisories for our watersides tomorrow because Monday will have its own breeze out there. 25 to maybe even 30 mile per hour gusts out there during the afternoon. So Tuesday looking like quite the gem, 50s to maybe lower 60s in the afternoon, upper 60s for Wednesday. And then our next chance for showers is going to come by Thursday. Weekend right now looking good out there. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after the break.